The Johannesburg High Court has instructed the city to prioritize allocating stalls to verified informal traders within the next 2 weeks. Judge Brad Wanless ruled that the expedited process must commence tomorrow in order to ensure that those who are eligible are not out of business.
The first respondent, the City of Johannesburg, is to conduct an expedited verification, registration, re-registration and allocation process. The process as contemplated by the informal trading bylaws promulgated in the Provincial Gazette dated 14 March 2012, Local Authority Notice 328, read with the applicable provisions of the Businesses Act 71 of 1991 as amended, together with the regulations thereto. For the sake of the legal representatives, the regulations that had been referred to in paragraph 4, which was deleted, has been inserted into this paragraph, and the informal trading policy dated 22 April 2022, Annexure AA3 to the respondents' answering affidavit, in respect of the first to fourth applicants and the applicants listed in Annexure AK2 to the applicants' founding affidavit. Paragraph 3. The process shall commence on the 4th of November 2025 and shall be completed by no later than the 18th of November 2025.
The City of Johannesburg says the city recognizes the significant contribution of the informal trading sector to the economy of Johannesburg.
Everyone who seeks to be allocated a stand or facilities to trade as an informal trader around the streets of Johannesburg, which includes formal markets that have been demarcated by the city, must do so having followed the processes that the bylaws of the city and its policies require. So that process entails verification. The city must know who you are, where do you reside, what are you going to sell. Are you going to be selling pap and vleis on the streets of the city? If you are going to be doing that, you must comply with the law that requires you to have certificates to handle and manage food that you sell to the public. If you are going to have gas stoves in the pavements, you must do so in a manner that's safe and secure, so you must have appropriate certifications for that. If you are in the country as a foreign national, are you here legally? Because if you are not eligible to be allocated a stand.
Siri says they view this as a victory, as traders will get to be regularized.
The law does not permit or did not permit the city to remove the traders the way in which they did. And now with this order, that is going to be rectified, and it's going to be rectified on an expedited basis. Come the 18th of November, if that is not done, we'll be back in this court to say that the city has failed to comply with the order of this court.
Siri says, should the City of Johannesburg fail to comply with the court ruling within the specified time, they will not hesitate to take the matter back to court. Nomtsigalelo Mtabela, SABC News, Johannesburg.